Good morning, class. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing good. Today we will continue block 9, life in mountains and deserts, and we will study second topic today. Be ready with all your essentials and please sit with your partner. Let's revise what we have studied yesterday. We have studied about plants and animals of the mountains. So, as you already know, what are the animals that can survive in mountains? What's the answer? You can also answer. So, snow leopard, mountain goat, sheep, and yak can survive the harsh winter of mountain. And what is the reason that they can survive? Because they have thick fur on their bodies that can protect them from harsh winter, and hard hooves, and they can climb steep slopes. Plants of mountains are conifer, pine, and fir trees. They can survive in mountains because they don't need much water. And the lowland between two mountains is called valley. Valleys have a milder climate. They are not cold as mountain. They have milder climate. Milder climate means not very hot, not very cold. And people can easily survive on valleys, and they can grow more types of trees and crops. Now answer, which place would you like to go for a holiday? You can think and answer. Which place would you like to visit? Beach, hill station, mountain? What's your answer? You can answer to the people around you or your partner. So, some of us may like to visit the beach, some may like to go to a hill station, and some may like to go to a desert. You can choose from these pictures. Where would you like to go? And some may like to go to mountain area. And do you know the way people live in these places is different. In every places, the lifestyle of people is different. The way people live along the sea coast, means near the coast, is very different from the way people live in the mountain regions or in a desert. And today we will learn about the way people live in the mountains. This is your topic for today. Write topic name, write LP2 in good handwriting. And our aim for today is to be able to describe how people live in the mountains. Okay, now open your notebook and copy this table. You need to make 5 columns and write these things. What kind of clothes will you wear? What will you eat? What kind of house will you live in? What will you find most difficult? What will you like the most? Make 5 columns and write these things. Now, you can pause the video and take your time and make this table. Now what you need to do is open your content book, look at the pictures in the section, a village in the mountains, read the section and fill the table. And you can read with me also and underline the important things, and please check the spellings. Read the spellings carefully and don't do spelling mistakes, okay? Let's read together. Open the section living on a mountain from block 9. Let's read. People who live in the mountains have to climb steep slopes and bear the cold to stay warm. To stay warm, they wear warm clothes made of wool and mostly live in wooden houses built on the mountain slopes. They usually rear yaks, sheep, and goats for milk and wool. So what people wear in the mountains? Woolen clothes to keep themselves warm, and they live in wooden houses, and they usually rear yaks, sheep, and goats. And for what? For milk and wool. They also use yaks as a mode of transport because yak can climb on steep slopes and yak can carry luggage and people. So They usually use yaks as a mode of transport. Those who live in the lower regions of the mountains means valley, grow maize and a few other crops and fruits such as apples, peaches, apricots and plums. Many people find mountains very beautiful with their snow-covered peaks, green hills and valleys. During summer, they like visiting the mountains. And remember, lower region means hill or valley. Okay, both can be there. Hill or valley. People live on hills and they can grow crops there. Now, see this picture carefully and fill the table. You can pause the video, take your time, fill the table and come back again to answer the questions. I hope you have completed. Please don't skip this activity. Take your time and complete it. How do people live in the mountains region? Is it easy to live in the mountains? Why? Think about it and answer to your partner. And this is your bonus question of the day. Which sport can people enjoy on a mountain covered with snow? Okay? This is your bonus question for today. If you will watch the video carefully, you will be able to know the answer. Now answer. How do people live in the mountains region? Is it easy to live in the mountains? Why? So people who live in the mountains wear warm clothes made of wool to keep themselves warm. Their houses are mostly made of wood along the slopes of the hills. And what people rear on mountains? People rear animals such as yaks, sheep and goats for wool and milk. And some people grow crops such as maize and fruits such as apples, peaches. Okay, these are peaches and these are apples. Some people grow crops like maize and grow fruits like apples, peaches, apricot and plum. Living in the mountains is not easy. Why? Because people have to bear the cold. Bear the cold means tolerate the cold. And they have to climb steep slopes to move from one place to another. So it is very difficult to carry luggage there. Means they have to move one place to another even for getting small things. That's why things are costly in mountain region. And people visit mountains to see the beautiful scenery and to enjoy winter sports. What kind of sports? Like skiing and snowboarding. People mostly enjoy skiing and skateboarding. Now answer. If someone who lived in the mountains started living where you live today, means started living in plains, what all would change for that person? If someone who lived in the mountains started living in plains where you live, what all would change for that person? So, the person who would have to change his or her food habits, like in mountains, people mostly eat rice. But in plain area, people usually eat wheat instead of rice. And change of clothes. In our area, we have to wear cotton clothes. We usually wear cotton clothes because it is very hot in plains. And someone have to change his or her job, like in plains. People usually do farming, and in mountains people usually rear animals because farming is not easy in mountains. And in mountains people also earn money from tourists. Now let's revise what we have studied. We have studied that in mountains people wear woolen clothes to keep themselves warm, and they live in wooden houses. And people in mountains usually do jobs like rearing animals like sheep, yak, goat for wool and milk. And people grow crops like maize and fruits such as apple, peaches, apricot and plum. So this is about living on a mountain. And this is your writing work for today. Read the topic, finish S2 and do PQ7. This is your S2, living on a mountain. Question 1 is, look at the pictures. Who lives on a mountain? Sheena or Anu? Tick the correct box. Only tick the correct box. Question 2, fill in the table for the girl who lives in the mountains. What will the girl wear? What will her house look like? What she will do for a living? What will be difficult for her by living in mountains? Question 3 is, how is your way of living different from the girl who lives on the mountain? Give one example. Okay, you need to give one example. How your way is different from the people living in mountains. So this is about living on a mountain. If you have any doubt, please ask. Take care everyone. God bless.